How to make fried lamb fillet in oil. A recipe with exceptionally tender meats and shiny sauce. First of all, it's an old video taken with this phone and I wanted to edit and reshare. The thigh portion is used to prepare the lamb fillet. Boneless leg meats are prepared. The hard parts of the meat are cut off with a knife. The fatty parts on the meat are cut with a knife and separated. Lean lamb meat is prepared thinly and in hand size. Black pepper and rock salt mixed. Salt and pepper are added to the slices of meat in a measured way in a tray. Three slices of meat will be enough for one person. Sift wheat flour in a tray. Slices of meat are added to flour and covered with flour. Slices of meat are added to the heated frying oil and fried. A spicy water special mixture is prepared. Black pepper, thyme, and cumin. May have some honey or sugar. Bay leaf and ginger. Rosemary. Garlic, mineral water and milk will be added last. Checking the frying status of the meats. fried meats are added to the baking tray. Meats are placed neatly on the baking tray. If you want to cook this dish in the best way, cook it in the oven for 2-3 hours. If you do not want to cook in the oven, cook it on the stove with a lid on low heat. Boiling sauce is added to the meats on the baking tray. It will be cooked on low heat for 2.5 hours. As a result, deliciously shiny sauce and extraordinarily tender meats await you. I wanted to edit and reshare this old video. Thanks for watching.